Hey Design One class, here today explaining your next project. Um, I, for those of you who were there last week, we did a time and motion. We lectured chapter 6. So this project is going to be feeding off of that. And I just wanted to walk through the instructions and have this available for anyone, for everybody to view. So for the time and motion project, I'm gonna pull this up. So you're going to create an art piece based on time and motion. This project will be open-ended, meaning you can create this any way you see fit. It can be digital, it can be photography, film, drawing, painting, sculptural, whatever will best fit your idea. I know lots of us have different strengths. Some of you guys are really good with your computer skills. Some of you guys have Photoshop. Some of you guys probably are really good with the camera. So this project is going to be open-ended. But no matter what you're doing, it has to show time and motion. I want you to sketch 3 different ideas, photograph them, then turn those in. When you turn in, make sure to signify which idea is your favorite, and I will write feedback based on that. So instead of having to meet one-on-one and plan around that, you're obviously more than welcome to send something to me on Remind, but I think this is going to be easier. And then I will give feedback when I grade your sketch ideas. For the submission of this project, there will be 2 folders, one to turn in the sketches and one for your project. Depending on what you create will determine how you need to save your file. If you decide to do some type of film, make sure you save it in a small size and that it uploads properly. This is important. Go back and check. If I can't see it, I'm sorry, if you can't see it, I can't see it, okay? It has to be something that I can access. Also, another thing you can do is if you're doing a film, you can upload it on YouTube and then attach that YouTube link. Sometimes that's a little bit easier. Remember, the goal is to show time and motion. So make sure whatever idea you select best fits that criteria. I will also post some stop motion examples in the same folder under coursework. Now, on this specific page, there's 3 different examples, 3 totally different ideas. The top right one is a man descending the staircase, nude descending the staircase. This would be in the painting drawing category. Still showing time and motion, but all in one image. Bottom right is the photography category. So the sequencing, you're more than welcome to do black and white, color, whatever you see fit. And then the left, that very left image is sculptural, showing time and motion. This is Alexander Calder, which we talked about in the lecture, but his pieces all move. So if you're wanting, or if you're interested in something that is moving and that is circular, you can look him up, okay? Whatever you do, research more into that idea. You might do time motion drawing, time motion photography. You're going to get lots of different people popping up, and so that way you can kind of broaden your horizons on potentially what would work best for what you want to do. Okay, then on your Blackboard, I have created a folder in coursework. It's going to be at the very top, called time and motion. Here's all the folders checklist for your project. Time and motion assignment sheet. This is literally that sheet that I just was reading from. Time and motion 3 sketches, you'll turn those in, and then time and motion final. Here's a simple stop motion film with fruit. Again, showing time and motion animation. There are some really cool apps out there. I'm not going to research this for you, but there's some really cool apps out there that do stop motion if you're interested in that. Plus, if you have iPhone or Android, you're going to have to look up the app based on your own phone anyways. So there's ways that you can do photograph and then you implement it into the app, and it surges, it puts them together, edits them together to do stop motion. Okay, so that might be something you're interested in as well. Use the things that you have at your house. I'm not, what's cool about this is the open-ended part is that some of you may get a little overwhelmed at the fact that you can do anything, and then others of you will have and pinpoint an idea immediately. Don't get overwhelmed. Do your research and sketch first. That's the whole point of the whole brainstorm thing. And then what we'll do is on Monday, we'll meet live to kind of talk through ideas, and then start your project. So your sketches are due next Wednesday. Your project will due the following Wednesday, okay? We are getting down to the nitty gritty on time, so we just have to make sure and turn in things when we are done, okay? I'm really excited about these. It's going to be awesome, especially the open-ended part, the fact that each person is going to get to create what they want. So if you have any questions, let me know on Remind or Blackboard Messenger, and I will see you on Monday. Thanks, guys.